How are you guys? Today I am talking about you whistleblowing. This is the very interesting topic for today. So listen carefully and watch the full video. Whistleblowing is a broad concept in ethical philosophy and covers a wide range of activities undertaken keeping in view the welfare of general public view the welfare of general public rather than personal interest. No, the definition of whistleblowing is the disclosure of information by one person to higher and responsible authority indicating the misconduct, illegal, harmful, or malprotection of another person. Especially misconduct is the violation of rules and regulation which harm society and giving information about such acts to authorities to protect the society from the harms are included in the scope of whistleblowing. The aim of such acts whistleblowing is to inform and enable authorities to take corrective measures for preventing misconducts in future and ensure healthy and safe society. In the context of business, whistleblowing means the disclosure of information by present or past employee against the present employee misconduct in the organization to higher authority in order to prevent the firm from the harms of such misconduct and protect the dignity of the organization. The act of the act of whistleblowing is based on welfare to general public or interest of the organization as a while rather than personal interest. For example, disclosure information regarding bad practices of a co-worker to higher authorities should be based on protecting the dignity of the firm, not to influence the co-worker and starting on benefits. So this is enough for today. I am telling the whistleblowing so you understand what is whistleblowing. Thanks for watching.